the bread.
It is really good.
Thank you very much. So this is a lemon pepper bread. This bread is only prepared for chef table only. So you will not find in other menu in the ship. So I made the bread and then I bake it, and then after bake I just infuse with the butter with the truffle mix. Truffle mix. Yeah. And then this one, the appetizer is scallop carpaccio. So how I made the scallop carpaccio, I just freeze the sea scallop, the big scallop, and then I slice it with slicing machine, thin slice, and I arrange in the plate like you can see. And then I garnish with the julienne bell pepper, micro bean lettuce, and sprinkle toast quinoa. And then I finish with Yuzu vinaigrette. So Yuzu vinaigrette is most like Asian taste because there is Yuzu. Yuzu is orange from Japan. And then mustard, ginger, and oil accessory. I will put a touch of honey to balance the sourness. Okay, so please enjoy your appetizer. I will come up to the next. See you. With the wine and lemon juice, and I cooling down and ice bath, and then I slice it thin, and I already the plate like this, and I serve with vanilla pineapple dressing on top of it, and I finish it with julienne bell pepper and cilantro as the garnish, and then on top I have a sliced heart of palm and pineapple ball, and a dash of mango fruit. Okay, so enjoy.
Thank you. Parsley and olive oil, and then I finish with lemon grape. Thank you. Asparagus, carrot, and fried garlic and potato. And for the sauce is bordelais sauce. Okay, you may check sir. With I put the
Oh, you're on four? Wow, you got a good angle.
That is just too darn gorgeous. Woo!
Beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
Dr. B here. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. It costs you nothing and you mean everything to this channel. We appreciate it.